Today I will show you why Bitcoin might be in massive trouble for the upcoming years to come. But we have a big opportunity forming in the altcoins, also named ALTSEASON. So make sure to stick around for that massive opportunity. Hi guys, welcome to my new crypto channel. My name is Robin. So of course we saw this big sell-off at the ETF launch. No surprise, as news tends to come at reversals. Like we saw in 2019 when Bitcoin was called a mere form of criminal money. Or 2020, when COVID struck. Why would anyone pay high prices for Bitcoin when we were wearing masks and the economy has come to a standstill? And at the top of 2021, when Elon Musk announces Tesla bought Bitcoin. Right in the distribution phase, right before a big dump. At the bottom, all kinds of exchanges collapsed, like Celsius and FTX. Not to mention the collapse of Luna. Before the big reversal to the upside. Guys, this is the whale's secret. Everybody gets scared at the bottom with horrible news. And everybody gets euphoric right at the top with amazing news. And at the selling climax in 2022, what do you know was launched right there? Yes, a short ETF. You wouldn't make this stuff up. So of course the whales were absolutely dumping on the ETF launch. With the launch we hit the 618 Fibonacci retracement, which tends to be a big resistance for not only all kinds of charts, but of course as well Bitcoin, as we have seen in 2019 and 2015, just coming off the lows. That being said, we are also a couple days away from the monthly candle close, and look at that big doji candle forming. We've also seen the highest buying volume on the short ETF since its launch. We've seen the highest bearish volume since the low, and the RSI is falling off a cliff. So why the end of Bitcoin? Well, that has to do with the stock market. See, when Bitcoin was created in 2008, it was in the depths of the financial crisis, and ever since we've seen a massive bull run. Bitcoin does not know what it's like when this chart reverses, but we do know what happens when we have corrections in the Dow Jones index, crypto bear markets. And the stock market might be near a top for years and years and years to come, because we are really close to a 4.236 Fibonacci extension. Why is this a resistance, you might ask? Well, this was the Bitcoin and Ethereum top, as well as resistance for many altcoins back in ALTSEASON 2021. And if it happens to be a resistance for the stock market as well, logically speaking that should be really bad for crypto. So if that happens, Bitcoin should break its 10-year trend, right? From a logical standpoint. That should be below 3K. Is that even possible? Yes, it is. Look at what Ethereum did back in 2018. See, this is like your 2018 bear market. You have your retracement like Bitcoin did right here. A quick pullback just like what happened during COVID, before rampaging to a 4.236 extension. A big fall, this would be your 2022 bear market. A retracement that did come short compared to Bitcoin's retracement of just now. And how far did it fall afterwards? Under your previous bear market low. For Bitcoin, that would come out between 3K to 1.5K. I know, a complete doom scenario. It's not pretty. But keep in mind that this is absolutely possible. Don't just rule it out because we have never seen a stock market bear for Bitcoin. So what is next? Well, if it is true that we are working on a distribution, at least, be it for a short term or a long term, it is likely we will expect some bounce between 38,400 and 35,600 to work our way through distribution. The way we often see how that plays out is we have an example of the top in 2021. If we grab the fractal, we can work our way slowly towards a slightly newer high, seeing the 50K level, a key psychological price level, for things to then reverse to the downside for real. towards first the 31k level. So Bitcoin is not really where I put my money, but we still have the altcoins. And in the distribution phase of Bitcoin, the alts tends to go hard. See, let's overlay the altcoin market cap on Bitcoin after we had that first daily break of daily lows on Bitcoin. Bitcoin didn't go much higher anymore because it was in distribution, but the altcoin market cap absolutely rampaged. So let's have a little look over there on the altcoin market cap. The altcoin market cap has completed a perfect Wyckoff accumulation and is right now in the sign of strength phase, as of the looks of it, right before a big breakout, and thus ALTSEASON. That is where I put my money. I have already made some profitable trades over on Bybit, like these trades, which is just a matter of going with the trend like we are having right now on the entire altcoin market. Now, if you want to take a shot at it, you can trade crypto on Bybit. I have a link in the description where you can claim up to $30,000 worth of bonuses. Click the link if you want to be a part of the ALTSEASON just like me. Please be responsible though, I am not a financial advisor. All of what I said is my mere opinion. Please do your own research. But if you do, have a potential good ALTSEASON.